Today on my show of what I'm going to talk about on my show today is I'm going to do a Funko Pop review of what I got in the mail today. I'm going to do a Funko Pop review of a Captain Marvel character of Goose the Cat. And that's what he looks like. And here's the picture. And my review opinion of what I think about this Funko Pop, that I think Funko Pop Company did an amazing job of designing and making this like cat character for the new Marvel film. Captain Marvel is Goose the Cat, but I was like shocked that Funko decided to make a pop of Goose the Cat for the new Marvel film. But again, I think they did an amazing job of making this like Funko of Goose the Cat and designing him with a lot of detail. And I think Goose the Cat is so cute and adorable. And I think in my opinion is I think that's Captain Marvel's cat. That Goose will appear in the Marvel film Captain Marvel. And I think he's like a cute tabby cat. He's like orange or something. And I also want to make this episode today for Captain Marvel fans of who's excited to watch the movie in March. And I also want to let everyone know that if anyone is also like a huge fan of Marvel, and if you don't own this Funko Pop of Goose the Cat from the new Marvel movie, then I would highly recommend it. Is to look for it at your local store, or if they don't have it, then I would highly recommend it that people should just get on Amazon by looking for this Funko Pop of Goose the Cat. And I was going to say is, how did Goose become so adorable? Well, I just have to wait to watch the movie and find out. And there's also different Captain Marvel characters you could also look for at your local store, and you can also add it to your collection. And if anyone owns this Funko Pop of Goose the Cat, that's awesome. And I just want to make sure again, if you don't have this one yet, then make sure to add it to your Funko Pop Marvel collection. And I just want to make sure before I go is even though Goose is not a super cat, but he's still a darn adorable normal cat. Yeah. And I also want to make this episode again for people who has another favorite Marvel character of Captain Marvel's cat is Goose. And it looks like Goose is just a happy cat or something. Yeah. And that's all for my show today. And make sure to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. And click like on the bottom below if anyone enjoyed my episode today. And that's all from my show today. And see you next time.